Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 14S and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the home screen. Let's tap. Then we have to scroll down and find system navigation. It should be in this other section. And then here we've got 2 options from which we can choose. So obviously the buttons, which we've got currently applied, and the gestures. Before we will set the gestures, just a quick disclaimer. Here we've got the options which are connected with the buttons, so you can customize them. So for example, you can reorder the back button and the recent. So right here, you can set some shortcuts for the buttons, and you can disable navigation buttons automatically. Totally up to you. So to set the gestures, we have to simply tap on this animation, and your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial. I don't want to, because I already know how to use the gestures. What is more, I'll also show you and explain how to use them. So you do not have to go through the tutorial too, but of course you can. So after applying the gestures, your device will hide the buttons and display this indicator instead. So this line, you can hide it if you'd like to. It's totally up to you. And here we've got the option gesture confirmation. So sometimes in some cases, like for example playing the video, playing the games, or watching a video, you will have to double your work, so repeat your repeat the gesture, so it will be confirmed and your device will take some actions. It's up to you whether you need this or not. So now, in order to go back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, just like that, and release the finger. The same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and to make sure that this motion is quick and short. So something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.